Hello, Repo Gadgets here. Up with a new one. Check it out. Got my chicken. You want to do the skin side down or the skin side up first. Add some basic corn oil. Some salt on that. And garlic salt. Flip that. I do it this way so the oil gets on the bottom. So I can add chili powder. And you can make it as hot as you want. A little bit more salt. Some pepper. Let that sit there for a second. Sizzle. Okay, for my gravy fries, it's just basic store-bought, frozen, pre-cut fast food fries. Cook them as directed. Brussels sprouts, a little bit of butter in there. Just move them around so they don't stick. And don't worry if you added too much oil or there's a lot of water in there. By the time this is done, all the water will be evaporated, the sauce will be thick, and everything will turn out perfect. And I'm using good old-fashioned Bullseye barbecue sauce. I would have got the spicy, but I didn't want to. Because I'm going to add, I already added my own spices. And holy moly, I can't look at this. There's a little bit more chili powder. Just a little, not too much. Because all you're going to do with the skin up is coat the skin and nothing else. That's why there's more on the bottom than on the top. Just basic chicken thighs, nothing fancy. I'm doing chicken this way because most people are real broke. They have no money for a barbecue grill and all this, that, and the other. And chicken thighs, they're cheap. They can a good size like what I got here, big 4 pieces here. Cost me $3. Okay. As it's cooking throughout the hour and 20 minutes, usually, I'll be flipping them about every 5 minutes. Just at this stage, I gotta keep flipping them so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. I'll use half of this now, and the other half in about 50 minutes from now. Put a lid on it. Turn the heat down. Let that simmer. Got my French fries here. These fries take about 4 to 5 minutes. In the oven. Just follow the directions on the packet. For the gravy, I'm just using package. I'm getting lazy here. I usually make my own gravy. But that stuff was on sale, so I bought a bunch of them. Alright. So there you got it. It's an easy meal and not very hard work. It's just a lot of up and down, getting out of the chair and flipping the chicken. So, have fun on YouTube and hope to see you again.